Apparently, America was named after a feathered dragon called Amaru. A huge, huge feathered dragon. Oh, my dog pushed me off the cliff there. According to the Fall Brothers on YouTube, the video is called The Belly of the Beast. You can check that out. The other thing I watch often is Roger Spur. He talks about Quetzalcoatl, the feathered dragon, the East Coast dragon. It's mind-boggling. Everybody thinks you're crazy if you talk about a dragon or a Nephilim. I listened to him, I listened to Roger, and I took a drive towards the head of the feathered dragon. Right now I'm on the plume, 1,500 feet up. Oh wow, the clouds are starting to clear. It's about to get beautiful up here. So I'm just checking things out. Have you ever heard of the Pink Floyds? Anyway, they have a video out on YouTube called Mudmen. It's pretty cool. I love Pink Floyd, and I never heard of that song or that video. If this feathered dragon is so big, giants could live on it, on top of the dragon. When the flood of Noah came, turned them to stone. It's crazy, ain't it? What's really crazy is my buddy, man. He told me that Elvis is alive. He said Elvis had to fake his death and he's alive. He's a preacher in Arkansas. I said, man, that's crazy. He's losing it. He's talking crazy stuff. Come to find out, this preacher Bob Joyce, he's only a half-hour drive from the plume of the feathered dragon, Quetzalcoatl, Amaru. So here I am, looking around, thinking crazy stuff. That's me. I'm crazy. But it's my birthday, and it's about to get beautiful up here.